in Indian gaming. To Intel Gaming presents Dentsu IWM Buzz India Gaming Awards Season 4. Tonight, we celebrate one such powerhouse. Call him founder, call him creator, call him innovator, but we call him true boss fight of the industry. Ladies and gentlemen, gamers of all kinds, make some serious noise for one and only Mr. Siddharth Layak. And of course, a huge shout out to our incredible sponsors and partners. Tonight wouldn't be anywhere near this epic without your support. Intel Gaming presents Dentsu IWM Buzz India Gaming Awards Season 4, official snacking partner Cracks Biggies in association with Think Result, Naptex and Mobligent Media.
Radio partner Big FM, education partner Indian School of Media, outdoor partner Art Media, support partners White Apple and Think Events, and of course an incredible initiative by IWM Buzz Live, creative partner Indian Storytellers. Let's have a huge round of applause for all of them, please. Exactly, Ocean, जब बात होती है innovation की और creativity की, boundaries तोड़ने की, one name actually stands out, and that's Dentsu. उनका Dentsu Gaming Initiative ने एक नया game mode ही create कर दिया है, helping brands navigate, connect, and truly belong in the gaming universe. Please put your hands together, everybody, to welcome on stage Mr. Narayan Devanathan, President and Chief Strategy Officer, South Asia, Dentsu.
Thank you, Subhajit. Thank you, Ocean. And that opportunity actually is to do with the fact that even just today, 1 in 5 people in India, that's every 5th person in India is a gamer. Now that seems like a small number when you think about just 1 in 5, but that's 17 crore people who are gamers in India. But what is this opportunity that I wanted to talk about, right? So actually, if you think about any game-changing technology that has ever come to the forefront of human endeavor in the last century even, because you guys are always experimenting, you guys are always pushing the frontiers of what is possible, because you really don't care about what the rest of the world is doing. You want to do the things that nobody else is doing, and you want to do the things before everybody else does them. And what that means is you have that opportunity to shape where not just gaming is going, but where the human experience is going. And that's why we are betting big as Dentsu with gaming, because we know that brands want to engage with people as they are experiencing life to the fullest, not just passively watching things. And you are the ones who are pushing the frontiers of that. The champions of saying, how do we take this 17 crore community and show the world that actually you can do great things while having the best fun that you can.
Once again, ladies and gentlemen, a huge round of applause for our incredible sir as we just had the entire conversation, Mr. Narayan Devanathan. And let's start the entire show. I'm pretty sure we're ready for it. And let's start with the very first segment of the night. So ये award उन creators के लिए है जो gaming के पीछे के असली wizards हैं. वो minds जो pixels को life देते हैं और imagination को gameplay में बदल देते हैं. Time to celebrate the Big FM Game Development Studio of the Year.
Big FM Game Dev Studio of the Year award goes to Super Gaming. Right? All right, एक बार जोरदार तालियां हो जाए.
Can we have our winners on stage, please?
Thank you.
अगला अवार्ड उन हीरोज के लिए है जो ई स्पोर्ट्स को स्टेज देते हैं, द मास्टरमाइंड्स बिहाइंड दोज एपिक टूर्नामेंट्स, जहां गेमिंग एक हॉबी से बढ़कर एक सीरियस बैटलफील्ड बन चुका है. लेट्स हियर इट फॉर द ई स्पोर्ट्स टूर्नामेंट ऑर्गेनाइजर ऑफ द ईयर.
The winner for esports tournament organizer of the year. कोई guess है? Any guesses, guys? ठीक है. Nordwind Gaming.
Ladies and gentlemen, before we move on to the next award, let's take a quick pause to appreciate a brand.
चाहे बात हो अल्ट्रा स्मूथ गेम प्ले की या नेक्स्ट जेन एआई परफॉर्मेंस की, इंटेल ने हर गेमर को दिया है एक अल्टीमेट एज. इनके प्रोसेसर्स हैंडल करते हैं बैकग्राउंड एआई टास्क्स जैसे ऑडियो ऑप्टिमाइजेशन और ऑटो फ्रेमिंग, ताकि आपका स्ट्रीम चले बड़ा स्मूथ. नेक्स्ट अप इज द अवार्ड फॉर इंटेल गेमिंग ई-स्पोर्ट्स टूर्नामेंट ऑफ द ईयर.
And the winner is BGMS Season 3.
Ocean sir,
जी सर.
allowed.
I mean, आपके लिए तो दूसरा अवार्ड हो चुका है रात का, आपको सब अलाउड है.
Cool, cool. I won't take long, guys. Good evening. My name is Niket. I am receiving this award on behalf of Nordwind Gaming because our senior leadership right now is strategizing for the next year so that we can come back on the stage next year. Thank you so much, guys. Have a lovely evening.
अगला अवार्ड उन लोगों के लिए है जो गेमिंग और ई स्पोर्ट्स की दुनिया की कहानियां दुनिया तक पहुंचाते हैं। वो लोग जो इंडस्ट्री के हर अपडेट, हर ट्रेंड और हर हाईलाइट को स्पॉटलाइट में लेके आते हैं।
बिल्कुल, ये उन पब्लिकेशंस के लिए है जो हर रीडर को कनेक्टेड, अपडेटेड और इंस्पायर्ड रखते हैं विद द पल्स ऑफ गेमिंग, प्रेजेंटिंग द गेमिंग एंड ई स्पोर्ट्स पब्लिकेशन ऑफ द ईयर।
The Gaming and Esport Publication of the Year. The winner is Inside Sport.
From innovation in connected TV to intelligent audience targeting, they have set new benchmarks across the industries.
Please welcome, ladies and gentlemen, the CEO and founder of Mobligen Media Private Limited, Mr. Chitranjan Mishra, here to present the next award.
The winner is DreamHack India, Nordwind Gaming.
अगला अवार्ड उन क्रिएटर्स के लिए है जो अपने कंटेंट से गेमिंग की दुनिया में फुल ऑन धमाका कर रहे हैं। So let's hear it for Rising Content Creator of the Year, Male.
The winner is Deepak, the Gamer's Toys.
तो अगला अवार्ड जा रहा है उन आवाजों के लिए जिन्होंने सिर्फ कमेंट्री नहीं, उनके साथ साथ एक अलग इम्पैक्ट भी क्रिएट किया है। Presenting the Impact Caster of the Year Award.
The Impact Caster of the Year is Ankit Ankibot Pandey.
Another stage is yours.
Thank you so much, IWM Buzz, for recognizing me for this. And yes, this will act like a motivation to me. हर साल अगर ऐसा अवार्ड मिलता है तो फिर समझ में आता है कि साल अच्छा गया है एंड अभी अगले साल भी यहाँ पे आने का बहुत ज़्यादा मन है। That's it.
God bless you, man. God bless you.
On that note, अब हम स्टेज पर बुलाना चाहेंगे मिस्टर अभीक बिस्वास, AVP Consumer Insights Dentsu India को, who will be sharing some interesting insights and key highlights through the report launch presentation.
Welcome to the briefing of the Dentsu IWM Buzz India Gaming Awards. What unique edge India has when it comes to gaming? We move to patch notes to understand the challenges our gaming studios face and how can we help them elevate to further growth. Now, according to our field report, currently the free-to-play games dominate the industry. India's colorful folklore and hyper-localized content have huge untapped global potential. And this depth of content will drive the growth in the tier 2 and tier 3 cities, along with broadening inclusivity. And finally, India will move from a currently service and consumption-led game economy to a creation-led game economy, where we'll be creating our own games and exporting them. And Godspeed, everyone.
Presenting the Dynamic Content Creator of the Year Male Award.
The winner for the Dynamic Content Creator of the Year Male is Gulrez, Joker Ki Haveli Khan.
Well, this award was much needed. Like last year, I came here, I won as a Stylish Gamer of the Year. And I thought, why not Content Creator of the Year? And this year, here it is. Thank you so much.
So, next award
is for Dynamic Content Creator of the Year Female.
The award goes to Sakshi, She Shetty.
So I am deeply passionate about making content, and I'm gaming, of course. I've been doing it since years, so thank you so much for IWM for recognizing that. Yet another year, this award is truly special, and huge thank you to the Godlike org and LOL's Anki I can see as of now, but yeah, to the whole team and all my supporters and my family. Thank you so much for making this happen another year. Thank you.
अगला अवार्ड जा रहा है उस ई स्पोर्ट्स टाइटल को जो हर गेमर के लिए अल्टीमेट अरीना है, जहां हर मैच फील्स लाइक बैटल रॉयल और हर जीत बन जाती है एक लेजेंड की कहानी.
Winner of the esports title of the year is BGMI.
Just would like to thank the fans, the creators, the esports players for loving the IP so much, and we hope to see you guys very soon.
अगला अवार्ड जा रहा है उस फीमेल राइजिंग स्टार को जो गेमिंग की दुनिया में स्लोली अपना मार्क छोड़ रही है और अपने टैलेंट और हार्डवर्क से फैंस के दिलों पर राज कर रही है. प्रेजेंटिंग द फैन फेवरेट राइजिंग स्टार फीमेल.
Fan favorite rising star female goes to Tarushika Sheikh.
I didn't know I was winning, so I wasn't prepared for this. But I want to thank my family, friends, my loved ones, everyone who supported me, and especially SATUL, because that is a dream come true, and winning an award, I don't know, feels crazy. Thank you.
So let's celebrate these path breakers, presenting the Naptix Trailblazer Gamer of the Year.
And the winner for Naptix Trailblazer Gamer of the Year is Yash LOL's Gaming Hacker.
First of all, I would like to thank each and everyone जो मेरे को पिछले 6-7 साल से सपोर्ट करते आ रहे, like my fans, my family, my org and everyone. Thank you so much.
अगला अवार्ड उन मेल स्ट्रीमर्स के लिए है जो हर गेम को एंटरटेनिंग और हर स्ट्रीम को यादगार बना देते हैं. लेट्स चीयर फॉर द स्ट्रीमर ऑफ द ईयर मेल.
और इस पुरस्कार के विजेता हैं सिद्धांत प्रवीण श्रीमान लेजेंड जोशी.
अगला अवार्ड लेडीज एंड जेंटलमैन उनके लिए है जो सिर्फ गेम प्ले के किंग नहीं, स्टाइल के भी बादशाह है,
जो हर मैच के साथ अपना स्वैग और एटीट्यूड लेके चलते हैं. प्रेजेंटिंग द क्रैक्स बिगीज स्टाइलिश गेमर ऑफ द ईयर मेल.
Cracks Biggie Stylish Gamer of the Year Male, and the winner is Raj Snacks Gaming Verma.
Hi, good evening everyone, and Stylish Gamer of the Year. Thank you so much to all the fans for supporting me constantly across all my social media platforms. ऐसा प्यार देते रहो और ऐसे फैशन गेम अप रखेंगे गेमिंग के साथ साथ. It's just not about gaming, it's about the confidence you carry wherever you go, and ये चीज़ बहुत लोग सीखते हैं, देखते हैं, and keep slaying guys. Have a great night. Good night everyone.
Moving on, our next award is for Gamer of the Year Male.
And to present this award, I would like to invite on stage Nisha Sharma, Business Head Art Media, and Janardhan Pandey, Founder Net Value Media and Director Metier Media.
And the winner is Tanmay Scout Singh.
All the fans have shown the love, and keep gaming, keep killing it, and stay dedicated. Thank you guys.
अगला अवार्ड जा रहा है उस पर्सनालिटी के लिए जिन्होंने गेमिंग को सिर्फ पैशन नहीं लाइफस्टाइल बना दिया.
बिल्कुल, जो अपनी यूनिक अंदाज, कॉन्फिडेंस और चार्म से हर स्ट्रीम, हर स्टेज और हर स्क्रीन पे छा जाते हैं.
Presenting the Gaming Personality of the Year Award.
Gaming Personality of the Year, and the winner is Kashvi Kas plays Hiranandane.
It's been a very difficult year for me, but the fact that I'm here on the stage for the 4th time in a row feels great. Gaming Personality of the Year, that's pretty cool. Thank you to the Muffins. Thank you to Scout OP for always being by my side. Yep, and thank you so much for this award, India Gaming Awards. Thank you.
Next award is for Rising Content Creator of the Year Female.
Good evening, everyone. And the Rising Content Creator of the Year Female. And the winner is Riya Bachu Verma.
First of all, huge thanks to IWM Buzz for recognizing me as a rising star. And special thanks to my cutie family, fans who supports me in all, like, इतना प्यार करते हैं वो लोग मुझे. And last but not least, मेरी प्यारी सी godlike family who supports me in all my situations. Thank you so much. Love you all.
हमारे शाम के खास मेहमान को स्टेज पर बुलाने का. So everyone, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, please put your hands together and welcome Cabinet Minister of Information Technology and Cultural Affairs, Government of Maharashtra, Honorable Shri Advocate Ashish Shalaji. Everyone, come on.
This is a rare opportunity where you attend a program and before even you've been welcomed by a bouquet, you have been given a mic to speak. But I'm really happy to be the part of this evening. I genuinely feel that you all have actually cultured, you have all actually designed the digital revolution in this country. Worldwide, gaming industry is growing with the pace. And compared to that, when you come to the India, Bharat, it is double the speed by which this gaming industry is growing. That we can create and we can make world to play on our platform, on our gaming industry's creation, on the innovation done by this country. And all the youngsters who are present here will also show their creativity for this industry. Thank you so much for having me over here, and I'm ready to have a bouquet after this. Thank you so much.
It's now time for the official unveiling of the Dentsu India Gaming Report 2025.
Exactly, ये report सिर्फ एक document नहीं, it's a mirror to the future of gaming, culture and creativity in India.
So to take us through Dentsu's vision and what this report truly stands for, let's welcome a leader who's redefining innovation and creativity across the industry. Please put your hands together for Mr. Harsh Razdan, Chief Executive Officer, South Asia, Dentsu.
Firstly, I'll thank IWM Buzz and Sid for organizing such a wonderful event and everyone who's come in here. And sir, thank you for your presence. We are very lucky to have you here today. I think, and as we go ahead, we will continue to do events such as this or live immersions because that is the only way we can try and build an inclusive community. Again, as I close, I would say that I am very hopeful that gaming and gamers will be a core part of the marketing plan that every brand managers have. That's the core of the heart of Dentsu, and that's the vision for us.
And sir, gaming जो है एक time पर एक just hobby हुआ करती थी, वहाँ से एक full on industry बन चुकी है. So how has Dentsu helped in shaping this new age industry and with everyone just coming all together it for the newer generation, for the upcoming generation and much more to come?
So as I said, हमारा काम था कि we try and ensure that the whole ecosystem comes together.
Yeah.
Now, our report is one way to try sort of bring this to life. And my colleagues tell me about 500 million users of games are there for the whole year, a little higher than what my colleagues said. Also, as our research report said, a lot of the gamers are social first, mobile first, and are going regional. I think these are all areas in which from a media standpoint or a creative standpoint, Dentsu can participate in. And for every gamer, every creator in the room, ensure that you're trying to differentiate your product to some extent, try and do something more than just creation of a game, try and be innovative, creative around it, or try and do something for society. If you stand for something, you'll be much more than a normal game. That's what I would say.
And ladies and gentlemen, अब आ गया है वो moment जिसका सबको इंतजार था, the official launch of the Dentsu India Gaming Report 2025.
And for this special moment, we'd like to invite our esteemed dignitaries to join us on stage. Karan Garhoke, Chief Marketing Officer, Cracks TFM Foods. Jignesh Shah, Co-founder Think Result. Divyansh Singh, Founder Naptix. Chitranjan Mishra, CEO and Founder Mobligent Media. Narayan Devanathan, President and Chief Strategy Officer, South Asia, Dentsu.
Abhik Biswas, Associate Vice President, Consumer Insights, Dentsu India. Siddharth Laik, Founder and Editor-in-Chief, IWM Buzz.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, presenting the Dentsu India Gaming Report 2025.
Thank you so much for being a part of this historic launch.
Thank you very much, everyone.
ये उनके लिए है जो गेमिंग की दुनिया के नए शाइनिंग स्टार है, जो हर स्ट्रीम, हर मैच से अपना नाम ऊपर लिख रहे हैं.
So get ready to cheer loud, क्योंकि ये मूवमेंट उन्हीं के नाम है, the fan favorite Rising Star Male Award.
So get ready to cheer for the fan favorite Rising Star Male, and the winner is. Can we have the winner for sir?
Fan favorite Rising Star Male, popular, and the winner is Sunny Pitaji Plies Za. Right? And Tanishk Admino Gaming Singh.
Thank you so much IWM for this amazing award. Like last year मेरे friends आए थे different category में award लेने, तो मैंने wish किया था कि इस बार मैं भी आऊँ. And here I am. And thank you so much to my Sanskari Janta and my YouTube family for this amazing support. Thank you so much everyone.
अगला अवार्ड है उस गेमिंग क्वीन के लिए जो सिर्फ खेलती नहीं, पूरी गेमिंग दुनिया को अपने स्टाइल, स्किल और स्वैग से रूल करती है.
हर स्ट्रीम उनका एक नया ब्लॉकबस्टर होता है, हर क्लिक एक सेलिब्रेशन, और उनके फैंस हर सेकंड बढ़ते जा रहे हैं जैसे XP बार ऑन फायर.
So दोस्तों, get ready to cheer loud, presenting the Streamer of the Year Female Award.
The queen who proves gaming भी glamour, grit और greatness का perfect combo हो सकता है, and the winner is
Streamer of the Year Female, and the winner is Ankita C.
अगला अवार्ड is for those who are the real favorites of gaming fans
and become every gamer's GOAT, G-O-A-T, greatest of all time.
Presenting Intel Gaming Fan Favorite Esports Organization of the Year. And to present this award, I would like to invite on stage Aditya Pandit, Senior Director, Dentsu, and Tejveer Bham, Associate Manager, Dentsu.
Intel Gaming Fan Favorites Esports Org of the Year, popular, and the winner is SA2L.
अब बात करते हैं उन डिवास की जो गेमिंग के एरिना में अपने स्किल से धमाका कर रही हैं और अपने स्टाइल से सबको दीवाना भी बना रही हैं. Presenting the stylish gamer of the year female.
And the winner is Payal Gaming Dhare.
I think ये मेरा पहला अवार्ड है for fashion or maybe styling. But yeah, thank you so much and thank you everyone. That's it.
All right. I mean, sir, आप भी थोड़ा games वगैरह, gaming and all, do you have that interest? And like, do you play games and stuff?
I think we should skip that question.
मुझे लगा
हमारे टाइम पे दूसरे टाइप के गेम्स होते थे. But I hope all of you are having fun. Siddharth, Sid, and the whole team at IW, Buzz. To all the gamers, to all the entertainers, salute you and continue doing amazing work. God bless. Have a lovely evening.
Ladies and gentlemen, in a world where attention is the new currency and data is the new oil, there's one brand that's not just keeping up with the digital shift, it's driving it. And how? Think result.
At its heart is an AI-based programmatic engine that helps brands connect with the right audience at the right time in the most engaging way possible.
Absolutely. जब first party data दुनिया का नया gold बन चुका है, Think Result unlocks smarter targeting, real-time decisioning और campaign outcomes जो सिर्फ perform नहीं करते, scale भी करते, you know, bro.
From first party data activation to rich media experiences made for swipe generation. So please welcome Mr. Jignesh Shah, co-founder Think Result, to present the next set of awards. And along with him, Narayan Devnathan, President and Chief Strategy Officer, South Asia, Dentsu.
Godlike Esports.
Next award is for Gamer of the Year, Female.
Gamer of the Year female, and the winner is Beautiful Pile Gaming.
Next award is Fan Favorite Streamer of the Year, Female.
Fan favorite streamer of the year, female, and the winner is Mehek Mizo Plays Sayyed.
Hi, good evening, everyone. I'm coughing my lungs out, so I'm going to keep this short and sweet. I'm really unwell. But thank you so much for this Fan Favorite Streamer of the Year award. I'm so happy that a lot of fans voted for this, and so I'm here holding this award. And thank you so much, IWM Buzz, for organizing such amazing events for all the gamers to look forward to. And yeah, I just hope that next year I'll be back here again. And thanks a lot, and you guys look great.
And now, to bring this incredible evening closer to its grand finales, we'd like to invite on stage two very special guests. Mr. Narayan Devnathan, President and Chief Strategy Officer, South Asia, Dentsu, and Mr. Siddharth Layak, Founder and Editor-in-Chief, IWM Buzz, to present the last set of awards of the night.
Thank you so much, Ocean. Thank you, Shubhajit. This is our 4th year. We are essentially from very much so-called Bollywood, OTT, and television space. But we always know that the gamer fraternity are all stars, and they have an amazing fan following. So we had to do a lot of learning and unlearning to understand the ecosystem. Thankfully, we do it with a lot of good intent. Everywhere we're trying to ensure that more and more participants come in. We really talk to a lot of people, all the organizations, clans, the leaders in the industry to ensure that we do the right things. We're not perfect, but we're going to get there. It's been a 2-year association with Dentsu. It's a huge organization, and the support for a startup like ours to scale gaming means a lot. I'm very, very grateful for the support, and hopefully in years to come, we'll scale it up. You know, Honorable Minister coming for a gaming event was not easy to pull off, but we had to write a lot of mails, calls to ensure that it turns up, and that shows that the ecosystem is emerging, evolving. And thank you again for doing all the great work.
For this evening, so अब अगला अवार्ड जा रहा है उन नए वॉरियर के लिए जिन्होंने अपने गेम प्ले कंसिस्टेंसी और पूरे पैशन से सबका अटेंशन ग्रैब कर रखा है.
Absolutely, brother. बिल्कुल ये है उनके लिए जो गेमिंग के फ्यूचर है, fresh, fearless and full of fire.
Presenting the Emerging Gamer Award.
Let's make some noise for the next big name in gaming.
Emerging gamer, and the winner is Adnan Badshah.
Hello everyone. I don't think so ज़्यादा लोगों ने मेरा नाम भी सुना रहेगा. But special thanks to Thug Bhai and everyone at SATUL, Thug Bhai, Mercy Bhai, Sid Bhai, Goldie Bhai, everyone for making it possible. And yes, thanks to everyone for having me. That's all.
The voices of the battlegrounds, true storytellers of esports.
Right, exactly. Our next award is the Esports Caster of the Year. And the winner is...
And the winner is, as Max said, Ocean Gaming Pro Sharma.
Welcome aboard.
I mean, मेरे पास तो है सर, मेरा तो ये चल रहा है आराम से पूरा. But yeah, I mean, season 1, season 2, season 3, I was the path-breaking caster of the year, and this is season 4 now. Definitely feels so amazing. I would like to thank, first things first, Payal, my girlfriend that there is, not this one, my girlfriend that there is, Payal. And then I would like to thank Ketan, he's somewhere out there in the crowd, my manager. बहुत से लोग बोलते हैं कि वो मेरे बड़े भाई जैसे हैं, but वो एक actual इंसान है जो actually मेरे बड़े भाई जैसा है. Those who know, they know. I would like to thank one of my most amazing co-casters. He's just out there, I can see him. Anki, I love you, man. Thank you. This is the 4th one. Many more to come. God bless you. Have an amazing night. All right, ladies and gentlemen, and now that's a wrap on an absolutely power-packed, incredible, mind-blowing, fantastic night. India Gaming Awards Season 4. What a ride it has been. What an energy. Amazing gamers, amazing faces.
Till then, ladies and gentlemen, it's game on, my friends. Season 5, very soon.
You guys have been an amazing audience. Take care. Bye-bye. Thank you.
Thank you. God bless. See you all soon.